Then I will scold her.
That that's familiar to me. Cause when my father wakes me up, I say, "Dad, just 5 minutes more. Dad, just 5 minutes more."
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute more. And when I scold, I feel so sad. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Nice dress, and nice hairband.
Thank you.
Wonderful hairdo. A great, good color combination and nice dress. You got it for Diwali?
No, I have another flower dress for Diwali.
Oh, you got a new dress for Diwali?
Yeah, I have another flower type of dress for Diwali.
Who is buying? Who selects your dresses? Mama or you select it?
Actually, my mother brings all the dresses for me from Miso. You might know Miso, right? Actually, my mother brings all of these dresses from Miso.
Are you very choosy regarding the dresses? Like, I want pink color, I want red color, I want polka dot color, I want orange color. Are you very picky, choosy when it comes to dresses?
No, I'm not.
No.
But actually, my mother chooses these dresses.
And you have given your mama full freedom to choose your dress. And whatever she chooses, you will happily wear it.
Yeah, but I also like those dresses. Oh, sorry
Nice.
for that.
So, what are your plans for Diwali? You would
I'm
like to
actually
fire some crackers?
Actually, me and my friends are going to celebrate it together. At, because my friends and me are going to bring firecrackers and we're going to play with each other's firecrackers. Like, for example, she will use my pop, I can use her pop, and these type of things.
Wow. So, what are the safety precautions you should take when you're playing with the crackers and pops? You have to be very safe, right? You should take care
Yeah.
of your safety. So, what all things you should take care? You
Things,
should always play with crackers. There should be one elder person with you. Is that correct? Is that okay? Is it a good idea? Good
the
idea?
correct, the, an elder person should be with you, that's the answer.
Yes. Always have an elderly person with you when you are playing with the crackers. Okay. Always keep a bucket of water. Is that a good idea?
Because if the fire goes anywhere else, we can use the water on the fire and the fire will extinguish. Wait, what does that
So
called?
that's a good idea. That's a good idea. All right. All right. See, last time when we met, I forgot to ask you one thing. You didn't tell
Yeah.
me anything about your school.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me something about your school and your madam or your teacher.
Okay. Usually I live in Uttarakhand, but since my father is in army, we are right now we are living in army area. So I study in army school, but my actual school's name is German. Then
German.
also,
Hmm.
yeah,
Hmm.
German. And my favorite teachers of army school are Miss Lima, Miss Tutu, and Miss Aka.
Okay. Okay. So tell me something about your teacher.
Okay, so actually, I meant my teachers are kind of fun. They they play games with us. They, for example, up and down. Like when a teacher will say up, then we have to stand up, and then she says down, then we have to say. We love that game, but we also like statue and move. That's our favorite game. And you actually in a previous session you said that you will let me talk to your grandchildren.
But that was on Sunday. Today is a working day and she has gone to school.
Okay.
Because
I
I
feel
told
this
you, yeah, I told you I'm in America and now it is morning 9:30 here, morning. And it must be 9 o'clock in Uttarakhand,
Oh,
right? Yeah. So now after this class, you will go and sleep. But my granddaughter, now she's in the school. She will come at 2:30. I'll go and pick her.
okay.
Okay. So that's why I told you your papa, your dada, join the class on Saturday or Sunday, same time.
Oh,
Okay. Then you
okay.
can talk. Yeah. He was so excited to talk to Anaya. I told her that you are going to get a good friend from India, and she was really, really thrilled to talk to you. So, Saturday and Sunday, you can talk to her.
Okay. I
Okay.
guess I'll just talk with her on Sunday because on Saturday we also have school, but luckily we have half day. Then
Yeah.
we only have 5 periods then.
Okay. Okay. So, do you carry your lunch box with you, or they give you lunch? They provide you lunch, food, and all snacks.
Uh, we even we get foods from school, but we have to give money for that. So I just take my tiffin box instead of taking money, cause my parents say it's a bad habit to take money to school.
Uh-huh. So you carry yours. What snacks you? What's your preferred snack? What do you take? Cookies?
I don't take junk food. I only take healthy food. But yesterday I
Okay.
took a
What will
lollipop.
happen if you eat a lot of lollipop, lot of chocolates, lot of junk food? What will happen to your teeth?
Oh, it will become kind of black germs will come to our teeth.
And you will have caries, you will have holes, and you will have to.
Yeah,
Where will you go if you have problem with the teeth? Which doctor will you go?
to dentist.
You will go to a dentist. And you lost teeth. I can see you lost like two or three teeth. Show me. Show me
Yeah.
how many teeth you lost? Only one?
No,
Only one?
I lost in 5 of them. Luckily, most of the tooths are back right now. They were growing,
You
so
came
all of
back.
them, yeah, they
So you
grew.
remember the first day, the first time when you lost your tooth, and did the tooth fairy came that night? Gave you a lot of gifts. Tooth fairy.
Yeah, she gave me
What?
chocolate.
Wow! Again, your tooth will fall down. You will eat lot of chocolate, and you will caries. You will have holes. It will be wiggly, 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 wiggly. And
There was
then,
also there was also a letter there.
oh, so you love tooth fairy?
Yeah, I'm kind of, but nowadays my teeth are not moving, so
No. So do
yeah,
you brush in the morning and the evening? How many times you brush your teeth?
2 times.
Morning and evening.
Yeah,
Wow.
before
You have a baby toothbrush or a big one?
I have a big one.
A big one. I think you should use a small one for the babies. Yeah? And what about your toothpaste? Is it a strawberry flavor, or is it chocolate flavor, or is it vanilla flavor? I know, I know, I know. Which one is that? Is it strawberry toothpaste?
It's chocolate flavor. That's
All right, all right, all right. So
it's not chocolate
let's,
flavor. It's
yeah,
not
give
chocolate
me,
flavor. I
give
used to
me a
have a
pink
strawberry flavor. I actually used
strawberry.
to have a strawberry
Okay,
flavor, but
give
now
me,
I
give
no
me a
longer
pink
have.
promise. Give me a pink promise that you will brush twice a day, morning and evening, and you should not consume a lot of chocolates. Once you know.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't ask you. When's your birthday?
On 6th September.
So
6th
last
September.
month. Last month.
Yeah.
6th September is
Yeah,
over. You
exactly.
did not invite me. This is sad. I'm very sad. You did not invite me.
Call I did not know you before.
Now you know me. So next time we will celebrate September 6th. We will, oh, one day before that, on September 5th, it is Teachers' Day, right? So
Yeah, I also.
it's easy to remember. I can remember. I'm a teacher. I'm your teacher. So Teacher's Day. Next day is Anaya's Day.
Actually, I
Will be
also said a teacher's this speech. I said a teacher's this speech. Wait, but there were not
go
even
ahead.
Didis who said speeches. Only
Hmm.
I was the one who said speech. Not even Didi said speech.
What a speech! You said a Teacher's Day speech. You made a
Yeah,
speech. Can you?
yeah.
I want
Can
to
I
hear that. I want to hear that.
have? Okay, but I
Respected.
think I forgot a little bit.
Whatever comes to your mind.
Okay,
Hmm.
but I don't remember the starting one. I think I'll just think for a while and after that say it.
Okay, no problem. Let's do a game. Can you turn around? There's a lot of things written on your wall. I can see that. Something hanging on your wall. What is written on the top? We say sorry. What is that? Can you turn around and read? Yeah, the first one.
It's in the first. It's in our house.
In our house, we never.
We never give up,
Wow, what do you mean by we never give up? You tell me, explain what we never give up. We keep trying. We keep trying. We
and also
never
we
give up.
give
If you want,
second chances. We make mistakes, and
second one.
we,
What is the second one? What is the second one?
we second one was we never give up.
Okay. The next in our house, that is the top one in our house. Then next one is the number one. We never give up. And the second one, next one.
We give second chances.
Wow, what do you mean by that? We give second chance.
Yeah, the meaning is we give chances even when we make mistakes sometimes.
We are all human beings. We make mistakes. That's okay. We are not God. We make mistakes. So what mistake you did yesterday? Did you make any mistakes?
Hmm.
What? What is that?
Yeah, I made a mistake.
What was that? Let me
It
know.
is kind of funny, okay? So actually, I was
You
taking my
fought
abacus
you fought with
classes.
you fought with your friends? No.
No,
No, no. That will never happen with Ania. You will never fight with friends. You are so
yeah.
generous. You are so caring, so open hearted, so warm hearted. You are so kind. You will never fight with friends. So what
Yeah,
happened? What mistake you made yesterday?
I was taking my abacus classes where I learned all calculations,
Huh?
multiplication, divide. But while I was doing that, I made too many mistakes. For example, 10 or 11.
No problem. We are all human beings. We make mistakes. That's why we have a second chance. If you make another mistake, you can make third chance. You will get
But
third. But don't make the same mistakes again and again and again and again.
okay, and after that is the same thing related to that. We make
Okay,
mistakes.
so we make mistakes. Okay,
Isn't it?
and I love the other one. We say sorry. We
It's
say
so
sorry.
right.
I love that. I love that. I always say sorry to my granddaughter. Sometimes, I scold her. I scold her sometimes. Some not always. Sometimes she has to get up at 6:30, and I'll tell her, "Hey, rise and shine! It's time to get up. Rise and shine. Let's go to school." Then she will say, "Oh, no, 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 no! I want to sleep some more time." Then I will scold her.
That that's familiar to me. Cause when my father wakes me up, I say, "Dad, just 5 minutes more. Dad, just 5 minutes more."
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute more. And when I scold, I feel so sad. I feel so bad. I think I shouldn't scold my granddaughter because she is just 7 years old, right? You are 7 years old, 6 years old, right?
I'm 7.
You are 7 years old, and she's also 7 years old. And her birthday is August 3rd. Then
August.
September 6th is your birthday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so we say sorry. Mistake. Mama, I'm sorry. Papa, I'm sorry. There is no age bar. Like, no, always children should say sorry. No, anybody, teacher can say sorry. Mama can say sorry. Papa can say sorry.
My father
Right?
says only children can say so. My father says only children can say sorry, not anyone.
Oh, I will talk to him. I will talk to him. Anybody can say sorry. I'll talk to him. Don't worry. Okay? Nice.
Okay.
Hmm.
After that
So,
is we give big hug.
big hug. Wow. So, whenever you say sorry, go and give a big hug. Who's your best friend? I forgot to ask. Your best
Shishti
friend.
and one's name is Shishti. My other's name is also Shishti. Shishti and Janvi.
Janvi. Ah, is that Janvi Kapoor in Bollywood actress? There is one actress in Hindi movie, Janvi Kapoor. You know her?
Yeah.
No, no.
No. But I also know this Janvi Pawar who is the Wonder Girl of India.
That girl, the magic girl, oh my good, you know that Janvi Pawar, who speaks so well American accent English. You know her?
I'm also Pawar. My name is
You
also
are
Pawar.
you
I'm
are
in
also
another.
Pawar, and your best friend is Janvi, so you can be.
No. She is not my friend. I have another friend also. Her name is also Janvi. She is just at the same class like me, and she's also
Wonderful.
7 years old.
Wonderful. So when you become a YouTuber like Janvi Pawar, will you remember this old man? Right. Okay. So we say sorry, then we give a big hug, and then what is next written? Forever. We love each other. We say sorry. We hug each other, and we take care of each other. Right.
Yeah. There are
Wonderful.
even there are one, two, three, four also left.
What's that? What's that?
There are four more, but I have to look at those two
No
spellings.
problem. No problem. So, which is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy
Can
is
you
my
can you
guitar.
say something about your favorite toy?
It's over here. Oh, it says
What's that?
yeah. It has a writing pad from which I could write
Oh, your
anything I
toy?
want.